Laguna is not just a company, it's a legacy. Laguna has a 200,000 square foot warehouse for manufacturing in Texas. Every machine ships calibrated and tested before leaving the factory. From automated to industrial, classic, and metal machinery, all products under the Laguna banner are assembled here in Grand Prairie, Texas. Laguna also provides software training, available to all our customers. Visit our state-of-the-art locations at Grand Prairie, Texas, and Huntington Beach, California, and see what our machines can do for you and your business.